Hello guys, so what's up guys? I am gonna tell you how to uh, run the program of MS Words and basic knowledge. I will tell you how to create some basic document information and some interface of MS Word 2017. Simply firstly you have to write MS Word 2016 and simply first website you have to download the MS 2016. I think this website is closed, and the next website you will download, I think you have to purchase CD from the shop and just install it. After installing the MS Word 2016, simply type in the search bar 2016 Word and simply open the program, and I will tell you the basic information. So simply document 1, and you have to view the simple options, and I will tell you about the home section. I will tell you complete information of the home key. So simply you have to write the data, and I will write lorem ipsum. I think simply dummy text I will take to the I think 5 paragraph, dummy 5 paragraph. I will set lorem and bracket 5. So now I will some editing customizable in this text. So simply you have select all the text, and simply you gonna change the font of the text. So simply multiple options of giving in this area, so you can change the font of the text. So simply I have to change the text of this type, and I will time to normal and more beautiful content. So next line I will tell you how to size the text. So simply I will select it all. If all the text sizes is changed, so I will select it all the data and I will change the text size. So simply you can change the text size. So next option you will see its name is increase font size. So I will click on this, and firstly I selected the precise data. If you do not selected the data, so no operation will be performed. So I will tell you, okay, I will click on this and no changing. Simply in this place changing, and I will place the text, so no changing in here. If I selected the text and that click on increase font size, so my text is increases, and the next option is decreases font. So I will click on this, so my font sizes decreases. So I decrease more and more, and more increases and increases. So multiple options is there. So next option is the change case. So how could you have to change the case? So firstly I will tell you I am a student. So how could you have to change the font texts? So I will simply select it on this text and then click on sentence case. If I click on sentence cases, so simply no changing in here, but I will click on lower cases, so all the data in appear in lower cases, but I will select it uppercase, so all the data is showing in the upper cases. And next, capitalize each word. If I click on it, so you have to show the first letter of the word is capital. So how have to the next option is toggle case. So first letter of the word is lower cases, so you have to select it, and I will complete tag the orders and complete bidirectional created. So simply fill created the program, and next option is clear or formatting. If I click on that clear formatting, so my all data is I think it is changing, my data is changing, and I set on different options, so I remove all the options. So simply I click on clear or formatting, So I will click on it, and previous type of data is appear. So next option is bold. Simply I click on bold, so my all text is bold. And next option is italic. If I click on italic, so my all data is italic. And the next option is underline. If I click on the underline, so my whole text is underline. If I click on this and I click on underline, so all the paragraph are included in the underline. So next option is strike through. If I click on strike through, so all data are strike through. If I click I am a student strike through, I click in it, and the middle line is added in the text. So you have to click everything. Now the next option is most important in the mathematically calculations. So simply I close all the things. Simply you have to click in this and change the line of this strike through. So simply underline, I click on it, and this type of underline I added. So simply I zoom it some paragraph, and I remove some information from this, and then click on underline. So underline is appear, and I click on it. So you have to see different underline option is appear on it. And next option is x power. So I mentioned power, x power superscript. So I click on it superscript, and then x power 2 5 2 3 etc. That is chosen in the mathematic. So simply I close it on it, and the next option is g power, that is subscripted, and the shortcut key of control plus equal. So simply G, click on it, and click on it subscripted. So my data is mentioned is the below of the text. So in these options we could simply change the basic information of the text. And next option is changing the color, changing the beauty of the word. So you have to see multiple options of it. uh, so you have to write live, I will tell you. And I added the data in this portions. So simply I type hint and selected of hint and selected, and after clicking on this, and I will change the data of this type. So now you have to change the data and added some beauty of the text. So multiple option is appear on it. So I simply selected of it, and the next option is font options. So I will change the text background color. So I will change the background color is yellow, blue type, and I will change the text color. So yeah, multiple options is a pair of it, and yellow. I will firstly I have to selected, and I will change the color of text. So now how gonna show you to check the properties of font. So I have tell you all the basic information of font, and let's move to the next portion of paragraph. So I will tell you basic informations. I am a student. I study in BS I education online. So multiple paragraph in it, and simply I have to select it, and the first option is bullet. So I have to set multiple bullet on this paragraph. So multiple options on there. So simply I have to selected bullet on it, and I simply remove the underline sections in this paragraph. So multiple options in there. So I change multiple options and select of this place, and I have select to simply numbering. So I set multiple numbering on this, and null nested options is appear on this. For example, if we write the book and multiple heading portion in there, so we have choose nested headings systems. so click on it and automatically change the behavior. So now next option is increase intended. If I click on it and our full paragraph is intended and behind, so our text is behind it. Now next portion is alignment, so I have to selected the alignment. So firstly click on, so left hand side alignment is set. If I click on middle, so center paragraph is alignment is set. So I click on right, so right our paragraph is settled. So I decrease the size of the paragraph and you will see the live updates. Okay, I click on it and click middle, so middle our text is appear on it. If I click on right, so right text is appear on it. So I click on this and justify all, so our text is justify, मतलब each of lines are equally जो designed and justify low, so I wash all the justify low character is appear on it. If I click on this and click on justify, so our all texts are justify now. So right now I have to increase the line paragraph spacing, so I click on 2.5, so our paragraph line spacing is 2.5 and multiple increases 3.0, so our paragraph is 3.0. so hence we can change the size of the paragraph. If I click on I am a student and then click on this line, so our line is multiple line is selected. And the next portion is I have to mention the border from right side, left side, all border. Simply I perform the operation on this. Inside of the paragraph, I click on it and border is added in this text. So I hope guys next part I will explain you how to add the heading. Basically easy way of selected heading. Simply you will added the heading portions. So next video